are watching Tech Island, your hub for the latest tech gadget news. In today's video, we will be looking at the most amazing Amazon gadgets for you. Let's dive in. Rolling Square Edge Pro Kit. Combining the best of 3 accessories in one form, this kit gives you a magnetic holder for your phone, a 1000 lumens light, and a 15-watt wireless charger, all in one. The magnetic arm allows you to mount your smartphone to your laptop screen and get rid of the clutter on your desk. This way, you can have a tidy work environment set up in seconds. Slim, stylish, and minimalist, the Edge Pro Kit is the ultimate accessory to boost your creativity. Arctic Breeze Ice-Free Fridge. Tired of those old-school cooling carts with water dripping everywhere? Not anymore. Compact and lightweight, this is a mini fridge that offers rapid ice-free cooling without the need for ice blocks or complex installations. A robust 13,000 battery ensures up to 13 hours of usage. No constant need to be tethered to a power source. With its magnetic lid, automatic cooling, and startup alerts, this gadget becomes super easy to operate. Just plug it in and experience the chill. Up next is a car essential, Elf and Car Steering Wheel Tray. Can't find a proper place for your laptop in the car? The Elf and Car steering tray is here to save the day. Use it on the steering wheel or the headrest, and you will get a mini workstation in your car. Boasting an adjustable height mechanism, this gadget makes sure that comfort is always guaranteed. Plus, it is made of sturdy yet light materials, ensuring functionality and portability. Delux Wireless Combo. Featuring a foldable keyboard and a 2-in-1 mouse, this kit is the ultimate workstation accessory. It boasts multi-platform support, ensuring connectivity across all of your Android and iOS devices. With a folded thickness of just 13 mm and an unfolded thickness of just 6 mm, taking it on the go is a treat. But that's not all. Doubling as a wireless presenter with a pointer, it allows you to do presentations in a more interactive and immersive manner, a must-have for any office or remote worker. TGO Slushie Cup Maker. Missing the nostalgic feeling of enjoying a cold ice slushie on a warm summer's day? This gadget is for you. Just freeze the cup for a few hours and it's ready to use. No complex operations needed. With the innovative design of this gadget featuring sealed layers, rest assured you will get a perfect glass of slushie every time. Made out of BPA-free materials and food-grade silicone, no more worries about harmful chemicals making their way into your diet. Now let's take a look at a new invention for cleaning. Whiz Electronic Air Blower. Are dirt particles finding their way into the nooks and crannies of your devices? Well, not anymore. The innovative electric blower boasts a high-speed motor which quickly blows off dust from the tiniest of crevices. It has all metal blades, which when combined with a high-speed brushless motor provide efficiency and power. At only 4.5 inches, this electric blower can be your little helper in any cleaning task. With multiple power modes and a replaceable air purification filter, all sorts of pollutants can be eliminated in a matter of seconds. Next, check out this essential gadget to keep your lawn pristine. KWL Smart Lawn Mower. This lawnmower is an innovative solution for cutting grass. Using advanced technology, it can be precisely positioned within a centimeter on any terrain, including corners, beneath trees, and close to towering buildings. With just a few finger swipes, you can utilize the accompanying app to effortlessly manage your grass. This gadget boasts strong hardware performance with clever algorithms to provide intelligent and effective lawn care, giving you the ideal and cozy home green space. It's a dream come true for gardening lovers. Moose Workstation Bag. Is it a bag? Is it a workstation? It's the Workstation Bag by Moose Design. Gone are the days when your productivity was confined to your desk. Credited as the most functional backpack ever, the Workstation Bag with its tri-fold design allows you to carry your laptop and accessories all in one sleek and smart backpack. It is equipped with dedicated organizers for your keys, pens, and cables. This ensures a seamless and smooth experience as you work. The attachable panels provide you with the ability to slide your workstation out and set it up according to your style. This innovative invention is a great way to boost your productivity. Would you like to have one of these? Let us know in the comments down below. UCOM Nano Wireless Charger. Ever wanted to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods at the same time? Well, now you can. With this gadget, charging 3 devices at a time is no longer a hassle. Made out of soft silicone, it provides protection for your devices as well as swift operations when folding the charger. Utilizing upgraded coils, the wireless charger provides an increase in the power conversion rate by up to 35%. But that's not all. Equipped with a professional magnetic isolation sheet that protects you and your loved ones from internal radiation, your safety really is the priority. It's an all-in-one hub for your charging needs. If you enjoyed the video until now, make sure to like and share it with your friends. Also, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest from us. Picopresso, portable espresso maker. Miss the flavor of home-brewed coffee on your trips? The Picopresso offers you cafe-style coffee anywhere, anytime. Thanks to its ultra-fine grind, the Picopresso produces emblematic creamy shots with dense flavors and stunning aromas. Rich, syrupy, and balanced, it ensures quality pours every time. With its easy-to-use manual operation and robust build quality, it is the ultimate partner for coffee aficionados wherever they go. KMT Everglow Light Tube. Make this light tube your partner in travel, and your outdoor trips will be so much more fun. This collapsible lantern's flexible design offers a variety of lighting options, and with its low weight, you can rely on it for portability. The dimmable white LED lets you choose from a wide range of colors, and with the ability to quickly inflate and deflate, ease of use is guaranteed. Finally, you can enjoy outdoor adventures in peace. Uhomie Ice Max Pro. Are you sick of running out of ice all the time, especially while hosting friends or sipping your preferred cold beverages? Presenting the newest technological advancement, the Ice Max Pro. This stylish gadget makes sure you never have to worry about ice cube shortage again. Just picture being able to make up to 40 pounds of ice a day. Yeah, this gadget can do that and more. That's not all though. Thanks to water recirculation technology, this device helps you enjoy an unending supply of ice while also conserving water and cutting waste. Furthermore, you can rely on increased efficiency thanks to cutting-edge infrared sensor technology, which makes every ice-making session a breeze. Next up, a security essential. Trina Anti-Theft Monitoring Alarm. This alarm is made to protect your belongings when left unattended. How? Well, just place it on the selected item and take your phone with you when you go. When turned on, the elegant and little Trina starts keeping an eye on your stuff. If it senses movement, it immediately sounds an alarm and turns on a red light ring for better visibility. This gadget is a handy and indispensable tool for professionals who are constantly on the go. It is the perfect tool for ensuring that no one takes your stuff when you are out working in a cafe or an outdoor place. Thanco USB Drink Can Cooler. If your drink gets warm too often and you don't want to add ice cubes to it, this is the solution you have been waiting for. This cooler runs on any USB connection, including the one on your computer. It has an aluminum can holder that fits normal cans and plastic bottles. Thanks to its powerful cooling capability, your drink will drop by about 9 to 10 degrees Celsius. So the next time our soda is not cold enough, the perfect drinking temperature is just a USB port away. Simply plug this gadget in, open your beverage, and enjoy those cool sips to the very last drop. VTech LifePod. Presenting LifePods from Vaultec, the best way to carry your firearms while traveling by air. With an anti-impact latch design and precisely engineered safety technology, this gadget makes securing firearms fast and simple. This case meets TSA requirements. Plus, it is lightweight and adaptable, making it ideal for travel. The LifePod is made of cutting-edge non-metal polymer. In terms of durability, it has been drop-tested to ensure it can withstand rough handling and mishaps. This gadget even has additional features like dual-side compression closures and an inner rubber gasket. Plus, it offers environmental protection and anti-picking technology. The list of features just keeps on going. Good Grip's laptop cleaner. Keeping computers, tablets, and smartphones clean is made easy with this gadget. With its dual-sided construction, it features a microfiber pad to wipe away smudges and fingerprints from screens and other surfaces. Plus, it has a soft brush to efficiently remove dust and other debris. This cleaner's lightweight, long-lasting design ensures dependable performance. It is the ideal cleaning tool for any smart device. That was it for this video. Links for these products are in the description down below. If you liked the video, be sure to share it with your friends. Also, drop a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which one of these gadgets is your favorite. Until next time, adios. Until next.